Welcome to this week's Rules of the Road, made simple. Let's go. Just before we start the tutorial, can't decide, these glasses or these glasses? Comment below, let me know what you think. I like these. But I also like these. Let me know. With yachts, they are classed as wind-powered vessels when they have their sails up. If they are using their engine, they are classed as a power-driven vessel, so they have more manoeuvrability. That's what this is about. Power-driven vessels such as speedboats and jet skis have a lot of manoeuvrability. Yachts, when they're under wind power, have less manoeuvrability. So these guys are the ones to get out of the way. Now, big ships, it could take them up to a mile, mile and a half to become stopped, or even further than that to manoeuvre. Even the yacht has more manoeuvrability than this. Rules of the road for a jet ski and a powerboat. So obviously we don't want to crash. So what do? The boat goes that way, the jet ski goes this way. Jet ski, boat to the right hand side. Who gives way? This is what we call the stand-on vessel. So that keeps going. Now what actions should this jet ski take? It can either go around the back, it can wait where it is, or it can turn and come back the other way and then go around the back. Whichever is safer. What about this way around? It is exactly the same. Overtaking. Now this boat wants to go around this jet ski. Which side does he go? In fact, it doesn't really matter, as long as he gives him space to do whatever he needs to do. He has right of way because he is in front. So he can go there. Now, when he gets around there, he now has right to go wherever he wants. So he is now classed as the overtaking vessel, so he has to stay clear of him. Now when in open water, it doesn't really matter which side you go. You've got thousands of miles of water to go, so as long as it's safe to do so, you can pass on either side. Power-driven vessels, yachts, cruise ship, tankers, whatever you want to call them, whatever they are. These should get out of the way of these. All of these should get out of the way of these. Basically what I'm saying is, if something is bigger than you and less manoeuvrable, get out of the way. Hope you've enjoyed my quick illustration. Keep this in mind for when you're next going out on the water. Stay safe, enjoy yourself. Oh, and by the way, if you like what you see, please subscribe below, hit that bell for get notifications of my next video. Comment below, let me know what you think, whether this video helped you, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.